Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Kiki's delivery service. Well, Kiki from that. You know what I'm trying to say. I'm just going to use this as the hair. You can use any hair that you want, of course. Then for the headband, we are going to use this one, type 3, and then red, as well as this in red as well. You do need VIP for the broom, by the way, so yes, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Select this shirt and color it this like grayish black. Oh yeah, we also do need the skirt from VIP. Select the square skirt and make it matte. Color it this color, and then we are going to get the broom. Color the broom brown, like that. And then for the shoes, we're going to color it red. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.